Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about medicinal plants, 10 medicinal plants that I am growing that you can also grow at your home because they're really easy to grow and easy to care for, and they have multiple health benefits. You can grow these plants in pots as well as in soil directly. You can grow them in balcony, in your terrace, in your garden, wherever you find a place. So let's begin this video. So the first plant in my list is mint. Mint plant is really easy to grow and easy to care for. You can simply start it from a cutting and it will grow very fastly. Mint has a multiple health benefits. It protects our body from diseases. Mainly it improves our digestion and prevent and cure cold symptoms. You can also harvest the leaves, dry them and make a powder out of it. You can use this powder in your teas as well as you can also use fresh leaves in your teas. So you can make your mint tea, and if you have a bad digestion you can surely grow this plant at your home. So the second plant in my list is stevia. Stevia plant is very easy to grow and easy to care for. So stevia plants need full sunlight and you can easily grow it from a cutting, or you can buy a plant from nursery as well. Stevia is probably best known for as a source of natural sweetener, but it has also multiple health benefits such as lowering blood pressure, treating diabetes, heartburn, high uric acid levels in blood, and for weight loss as well. So the next plant in my list is Har Shringar, or it is also called as Parijat or night jasmine. It is widely used in Ayurvedic medicines for the treatment of joint pain or arthritis, back pain, knee pain, cough, and various types of fevers like malaria, chikungunya, and dengue, skin related problems, infections, constipation, fungal infections, and as antidote against snake bite. Take 1 teaspoon of leaf extract in 2 cups of water, boil it for 5 minutes, and then you can take that tea or water. So you can easily get this plant from a nursery very easily. So the next plant in my list is insulin. Insulin plant benefits are amazing. The chemicals in the insulin leaves reduces the spiked blood sugar levels, and the fleshy and vibrant green leaves are a storehouse of valuable nutrients. It is recommended for a diabetic patient to chew 2 leaves per day in the morning and evening for a week, and you can also buy this plant from nursery very easily in like 50 or 100 rupees. Next in my list is lemongrass. You can use lemongrass in making your teas. Talking about the health benefits, it helps in lowering cholesterol, prevents infection, boosts red blood cells, relieving bloating, and it protects our liver from damage. It cures respiratory diseases as well. So it has a number of health benefits. For growing lemongrass, you can use stem cutting or stem division method. Division is the most common method used for the lemongrass. It grows very fastly, so you can use the right size of pot that because its roots grow very fastly and it also grows really fast and big. So the next plant in my list is turmeric or haldi. As you all know, it boosts our immunity. It has multiple health benefits as well as it is very easy to grow. So you can easily grow turmeric at your home in pots as well as directly in the soil from a turmeric rhizome. It has a multiple health benefit. It boosts our immunity. In India, it is traditionally used for the disorders of skin, to heal wounds and joint pain, and digestion and respiratory disorders, various allergies, liver diseases, and many more. So the next plant in my list is Indian borage. It is also called as ajwain plant, but it is actually Indian borage. It smells like ajwain and it also has a multiple health benefits, and you can easily grow it from a stem cutting. This plant is really easy to propagate. Just take the stem cutting, put it in soil, and it is very easy to grow. It will grow very fastly, and so this plant fight against bacteria and fungi, lowers the blood cholesterol and lowers the blood pressure. It also helps in the good digestion as ajwain do. So you can use the leaves in making your teas, and you can also chew the leaves as well. Next plant in my list is Bryophyllum or Patthar Chat. It is very easy to grow and a very easy to care for plant. You can also propagate it from its leaves. It grows very fastly and it is very easy to care for. It is used as medicinal plant to treat asthma, cough, diabetes, jaundice, insect bite, infections, and to treat wounds and cuts. So the second last plant in my list is holy basil or tulsi. This plant has a number of health benefits and it also really easy to grow. It promotes healthy heart, anti-aging, treat kidney stones, relieve fever and many other health benefits. You can also make dry tulsi powder like mint powder. You can also make dry tulsi powder for cough and cold. You can just add this tulsi powder to your teas. Tulsi can be grown very easily by a seed sowing method. You can sow the seeds in the potting mix and you can have your own tulsi plants at your home, so you can grow tulsi at your home very easily. And the next plant in my list is neem. Neem leaves have ton of health benefits. It boosts immunity, treating acne, diabetes, malaria, lowers the risk of cancer. So you can easily grow neem tree at your home. So the next plant in my list is ginger. I have made completely different video on how to grow adrak or ginger. So you can definitely grow your adrak or ginger at your home in pots as well as in the soil. So I have made completely different video on that. You can check that video on my channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you do so, then do like, share and subscribe.